Nobody tells you this when you start crocheting, but there are specific small items that are flying off people's Etsy shops and market tables right now in 2026, and most beginners have no idea which ones they are. I've been digging into what's actually selling fast this year, not just what looks cute on Pinterest, and the difference is pretty big. So if you're a beginner who wants to make things people will actually buy, or even if you just want to make stuff that everyone around you will want, this video is going to save you a lot of wasted yarn and wasted time. Let's talk about it. So here's the thing. When most people start crocheting, they make the same stuff. Dishcloths, scarves, maybe a granny square or two. And there's nothing wrong with that, that's how you learn. But if you ever think about selling your work or giving it as gifts, those things are kind of hard to move. Not because they're bad, but because the market for them is oversaturated and people can get a dishcloth at the dollar store for almost nothing. What sells fast are items that feel special. Items that look like they took effort but didn't take you 3 weeks to finish. Items that people see and immediately think, I need that, or that would make a perfect gift. And the beautiful thing is, most of these items are beginner-friendly. You don't need to know fancy stitches, you don't need to have been crocheting for years, you just need to know the right things to make. Let's start with something that has been absolutely blowing up this year: crochet keychains. I know, keychains sound small and basic, but hear me out. These things sell for anywhere between $5 and $15 each. They take maybe 30 minutes to make once you get the hang of it, and they use almost no yarn. We're talking scraps, the stuff you'd normally throw away. What's working really well right now are the little 3D shapes: strawberries, mushrooms, ghosts, little smiley faces, anything that looks a little quirky or cute. People are drawn to them because they feel handmade and personal in a way that a factory keychain never could. And because they're so cheap for you to make, your profit margin is actually really good. If you search crochet keychains on Etsy right now, you'll see shops that have sold thousands of them. Thousands! From a single tiny item. That's not nothing. Next up, bucket hats. Now, I said beginner-friendly, and I mean it. Crochet bucket hats are not as hard as they look. If you can do a magic ring and work in rounds, you can make a bucket hat. They usually take a few hours, maybe a day if you're going at a relaxed pace, and they sell really well, especially in spring and summer. But honestly, people buy them year-round because they're a fashion piece, not just a weather thing. The styles that are moving fast right now are the ones made with cotton yarn in neutral tones: beige, white, tan, black, and also the ones with a slightly floppy brim. You'll also see a lot of people adding little crochet flowers or patches to the side, which is a super easy way to make yours look more unique without adding much time to the project. Bucket hats can sell anywhere from $25 to $50 depending on your market and how detailed they are. That's a solid return for something a beginner can make. Okay, here's one that a lot of people sleep on: frogs. Crochet frogs. Specifically the little sitting ones with the big eyes. These have been popular for a while, but they are not slowing down. If anything, they're getting more popular because the whole cute animal aesthetic is just everywhere right now on social media. What makes frogs special is that they're small enough to be quick, but detailed enough to feel impressive. They have personality, and they photograph really well, which matters a lot if you're selling online, because good product photos make a huge difference. The pattern for a basic sitting frog is genuinely beginner-friendly. You're making a bunch of small parts and sewing them together. That's really it. The body, the legs, the eyes. Once you make your first one, it starts going faster and faster. Some people can knock one out in an hour or two. Frogs sell really well as individual pieces, but also do great in sets, like a little frog family, or as gifts for kids and adults, honestly, because frogs have a wide fan base. Price them between $12 and $25 depending on size. Now let's talk about something a little different: car fresheners. Yes, crochet car fresheners are a real thing, and people love them. You make a small crochet shape, stuff it with dried lavender or cedar chips, or just a few drops of essential oil on some batting, and you've got a car freshener that looks adorable hanging from a rearview mirror. The shapes people are going for right now are clouds, stars, little suns, and again, the quirky ones like little ghosts or fruit shapes. These are incredibly fast to make. We're talking 15 to 20 minutes each, and they sell for $5 to $12. Put a few on a table at a craft market and they basically sell themselves because people grab them as impulse buys. This one is especially good for beginners because there's no pressure to make it perfect. The charm is that it looks handmade. Let's keep going. Tote bags. Now, crochet tote bags have been a thing for years, but what's different in 2026 is the style that's trending. The market bags, also called mesh bags or farmer's market bags, are going crazy. They have that open, stretchy weave that looks kind of see-through, and they're made with cotton yarn. Very simple construction, very trendy right now. People use them for groceries, for carrying stuff to the beach, for going to the farmer's market, hence the name, and they're very beginner-friendly because you're basically just doing the same stitch over and over in rows or rounds. The look comes from the pattern of the stitch itself, not from anything complicated you have to do. These bags sell for $20 to $45, and if you add a little detail like a knotted strap or a crochet flower on the side, you can push that price up. Here's something that might surprise you: scrunchies. Crochet scrunchies. They're so fast it's almost funny. You crochet a long flat piece, sew an elastic inside, and that's it, done. Maybe 15 minutes if you're being slow about it. And people buy them, not just as gifts but for themselves. There's a market for handmade scrunchies because they feel more special than the ones at the drugstore, and people like that they're unique. The chunky, textured ones are really popular right now. Velvet-style yarn, fluffy yarn, cotton in bold colors. Price them at $4 to $8 each, or sell them in sets of 3. They're perfect for craft fairs because they're easy to display and people grab them at checkout like candy bars. One more, and this one is probably the most underrated item on this entire list: coasters. Crochet coasters? I know, stay with me. Coasters are boring on their own, but what's selling right now are the themed sets. Think a set of 4 coasters that all look like little fruits, or 4 coasters that look like little smiley faces, or a set that matches a color theme for home decor. When you package them as a set and give them a little visual story, they become a gift item. People buy them for housewarmings, for birthdays, for people who just moved. A set of 4 coasters can sell for $15 to $25, and they take barely any yarn. Each individual coaster takes maybe 20 to 30 minutes, so a set of 4 is a few hours of work and sells for a really good price. Okay, so let's bring this all together because I want to make sure this actually helps you. The items that sell fastest in 2026 all have a few things in common. They're small, so they're quick to make. They use minimal yarn, so they're cheap to produce. They photograph well, which matters whether you're selling online or just sharing on social media. And they feel personal, like something someone made just for you, not something that came off a conveyor belt. If you're a beginner and you want to start selling, I'd say pick 2 or 3 items from this list and really get good at them. Don't try to make everything. Get fast at making a really cute